Yo, what's up? In the last episode, I found a tomb, I did some stuff, and today, I'm going to focus on finishing what I'm actually supposed to be doing. Ow.
Need to get more information
And surviving.
If Constantine has to do it himself, he's not going to be happy. We'll step up the pressure.
Ooh.
But
I'll focus after this. Never mind.
Before.
It's for the best. The game knows.
Leader of the remnant.
I shouldn't be
He
doing
has
that.
to know about the divine source. Find his weakness. Get creative.
This prisoner. Maybe I can find him.
Maybe can, maybe can't. Ooh. That looked painful. Is that a Westworld Easter egg? No, it's a star.
These markings. They're not Russian. Warning, maybe?
If it's a dead corpse, well, a dead and corpse is kind of the same thing. It may be a warning. Okay, I really don't know where I'm going or what I'm doing. Sometimes you just gotta climb up stuff, find your way home. Ooh, speaking of climbing up things, what's this? That will take me. That was a zipline. Ah. I'm gonna jump up here instead. Maybe this will take me to a green thing. Ooh. Hello. Would you like some scrambled eggs? No, just a feather. Yes. Climb through there. Never stop exploring. Ah. She has the upper body strength of Hercules. I wish I could do everything she does. Okay. Let's try this again. Green thing. Where art thou? Right up here. I was on the right track. Question is, how do I get up there? This, perhaps? I'm not gonna shoot a block of wood. That block of wood did nothing wrong to me. I'm gonna stab the piece of brick instead. Because that did do me wrong. Oh, no! That was close. I wanted to know what the X symbol was. I thought I was picking up a feather. But alas, there's something much more dangerous. Okay, here's another one. Then there's the other one. Yay! You did it. Oh. Okay. Now, I'm gonna climb this rock. Ooh, another tomb. And wolves, perhaps? Don't you forget what I did to your family, Mr. Wolf. I pulverized them like I pulverize all my enemies. And this thing. Yes. Okay. Gonna do this tomb really quick. Gonna get that other green thing. And then I am going to the orange thing. Okay, I've explored 3 out of 5 caves. Guess that makes me feel a little better. Knowing that they are numbered. That they do have an end. Missing gear. Dang it. Okay. Okay. It'll all be alright, Lara. We can do this. Together. Once we have rope. Oh. Thought it was a spider, but it was really just a mushroom. What do we do with those mushrooms? Don't ask. Because it'll just get us all in trouble. Can I, like, cut and steal the rope off of this thing? Craggy. Crusty crag. Here we go. Try that again. Alright. We are on the right track. Yas, queen. Here we go. 5 out of 5. I've earned their trust, I think. Wait, what's this? Ah, it's full. That's what it is. What's this? Also full. Time to make some stuff.
I hope you received my last tape in good time.
Lord
I've become
Croft.
increasingly fond of recording these messages to you. Hannah says that I need time away from my books and papers every so often, if only to remember why I'm doing all this. I know you hate me going away, but it will be worth it one day. It will all be worth it. Sending my love to you. Work hard in school.
I'm
I know
not
your
going
work
to
was
school.
important, but it didn't feel like it at the time. Still, it taught me independence, how to look after myself. Important lessons, as it turns out.
Whoa, I have all of these guns? What? Where did these come from? Dang, I've been struggling this whole time. You probably have a piece of rope and a knife as well.
Trinity's after the source.
Wrapped handle.
I should
Okay.
find out what they know.
Gaps called ears. That is what I am talking about, fam. What's this? Ooh, look at this cute outfit. Look, oh, look at this top. I need to stay warm though. It's for the best. Yeah, it's for the best. Holy crap, this is so cool. Ammo capacity, yes please. Then I did all that. Okay, now we're talking. I didn't know I could do all this. No, I don't want to fast travel. Who am I? The Dragonborn. Skills. I have 2 skills to waste. Survivor. What can we do with this? Rapid crafting. I never craft. Incendiary bombs. Yes. Lightfoot. Yes, that sounds good. Avid learner. I do like XP, so I'm gonna do that one. F for detail. Pfft, no. I'm gonna do XP and Lightfoot. Those sound pretty important for this line of work. And yeah, I am satisfied with my purchases. Now what? Ooh, look. Wait, so can I grab these now? Yes. Cheat the system. Don't let the system cheat you. That's what I learned in school. Not stuff about homework. That is for losers. Nah, I don't need it. What's up with all this mindless murder? Okay, where are we going? Wait, I have to talk to that guy. Right, I'm gonna put my new abilities to the test. My Lightfoot. Oof. Still looked like a heavy foot to me, but whatevs. Where are we going? Where is that guy? Sandor, Clegane. It is I, Arya. Come to avenge you. Take you off my list. Oh man, he's all the way down there. Dang. Dang, boat. Here we go, here we go. Any second now. Minute, perhaps. Hour after hour. What is all this? Car batteries. Ooh. Hello. Don't cross me. Dang, this guy's so far away. Jeez. Okay, there he is. I actually see him. He's in my line of sight. So close, but so far away.
Done it? Are the transmitters?
The
Yes.
repeaters are offline. It's done.
So it is.
So it is.
We don't have much to spare, but if you're fighting with us, you can use this.
A knife? Rope? Lockpick, yes! I just have to go all the way back to the beginning of the game. Or to this box. Oh, I have to hold it. That makes sense, I suppose. Give me them goods, fam. Semi-auto pistol part. Alright, now I'm on my way to that yellow dot. But first, just had to try. Give it a good shot, literally, figuratively. Saw that bird and it reminded me of the time birds kidnapped me when I was 5. Flew me under their cave and I was like, LOL, nah. I don't agree to this. So then they brought me back home. That, of course, is a false story. I made it up on the spot. I know, it's pretty good. No need to compliment me on my storytelling skills. I know they're there. I know they exist. Where am I going? Yes. Right up here. Ooh, is this another cave? Another cave? Or is this a cave I've been in before? Yeah, I've been here before. Alas, I gotta pause it. In the next episode, I will find that yellow dot of destiny. Thanks for watching.